Team meteorologist Dave Nussbaum for the latest. He is the tropics expert. So what's happening out there?
Unfortunately, Houston could pick up 8, 10, 12 inches of rain, parts of Louisiana as well, too. We will get some of this, but not that much. Right now, though, partly cloudy, warm, humid scene in our BJCC camera. Not too shabby out there. Temperatures coming in 89 degrees. Dew point 68. It already feels like it's 93 with that heat index right now here in town. Around the area, 87 Tuscaloosa, 90 Jasper, Fayette, about 85 degrees, 87 Talladega. So everyone pretty much in the mid and upper 80s to around 90 across our area. And it's going to stay oppressive with that humidity for the rest of the week as well, too, as the deep tropical moisture coming up from Nicholas will head our way. We do have some of those clouds making it partly cloudy right now, but you look down to our south, and that's where Nicholas is. High pressure, which was over us the last couple of days, is going to be moving off to the east gradually here, and that's going to allow Nicholas to work its way north and eventually off to the east here. Now, Nicholas at the moment is trying to get better organized. It's kind of a messy situation. Large circulation, there's little mini swirls, if you will, embedded in the big circulation. So the middle of it's about right here, and that's gradually going north and will work its way on in toward parts of the central Texas coastline as we head into tonight. Winds are at 60 now, moving north at 12. You can see it is expected to make landfall later this evening by 7 a.m. tomorrow, just about near the Houston area here toward Katy, Texas, and then kind of gradually turn its way on into parts of Toledo Bend, right along Louisiana and Texas border, not too far from Monroe, heading towards, say, Vicksburg, Mississippi. No longer is a tropical system at this point because it's inland, but still going to be a heavy rainmaker with a lot of the rain off to the north and off to the east of the center, which would spread it into our area as we go forward here. And you can see that center of circulation working its way onshore tonight, and this is just all the way through Tuesday, heading into Wednesday. Heavy rain over Louisiana. Some of it starts to get our way by Tuesday afternoon, but eventually we'll start seeing more of this coming on in as we go throughout Wednesday, heading on into Wednesday night into Thursday. High risk, a level 4 out of 4 there for flash flooding expected across the Texas coast, and you can see why. 7, 8, 9 inches of rain, or if not more there. Louisiana, the western part, really feeling it too. But we'll have some impact as well across our areas. Rain totals could be around 1, 2, 3, 4 inches potentially here. Again, it all depends exactly where the system tracks and how we feel the impacts of it later. So landfall tonight in Texas with flooding rain across Texas. We'll feel that Wednesday through Friday. Maybe 2 to 4 inches, could lead to some minor flooding of streams, creeks, and local rivers. Tornado threat is low, and wind threat's not an issue either. Winds around 10, maybe up to 20 miles per hour. But the chance of rain is going to increase as we head throughout Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So today, a few stray showers trying to pop up through the afternoon hours into the evening. Nothing significant out there as we get to around 90 degrees. In the 70s by 10 o'clock. By tomorrow morning, we're waking up to 60s and 70s. And then during the heating of the day tomorrow, we will see some scattering of showers and thunderstorms. A little more coverage of rain. It will continue on into Tuesday evening as well, and eventually we'll see that chance of rain going up even further here as we head on into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Highs lower to mid 80s. Finally, the system will be out of our hair by the weekend, and then we're dodging those typical pop-up afternoon variety showers and storms with highs in the mid 80s.
All right, Dave, thank you. Coming up, furniture